congratulations po sa the whole cast and also sa author, no. My first question will be for Zeke and Hart, no. Zeke, okay. You mentioned earlier, na-mention earlier na first lead role niyo daw in a series before, parang supporting characters na. Ngayon, nagsink in na ba talaga sa inyo na kayo yung lead stars ng Hell University? And can you remember yung moment na natanggap niyo yung news na kayo yung gaganap sa lead characters?
Yeah, so till right now, everything still feels like a dream talaga. Hindi talaga makapaniwala. But it's slowly starting to sink in, especially with media conference and everything like that. But yeah, I still very much remember yung time na nakuha ko yung news. It was like 12 in the morning, I was actually about to sleep na. And then yeah, my manager called me, sabi, Zeke, you're gonna be ace. Ganun eh, very, very straightforward yung manager ko. And parang pinag-usapan na, yeah, this is very surprised like that. Hindi ako makapaniwala.
How about you, Hart?
For me, I still can't believe it even until now. It's really hard to believe po talaga na I got our lead role. Oh my gosh! Oh my God. When I got the announcement, I got it directly from boss because I was sakto nandun ako at that time. Then when she told me, I was like, I actually cried at that time. And that's how unbelievable it was.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I wanna ask the author, no. Since ginagawa na siya, gagawin na siya, may adaptation na siya for series. Gaano ka kaka-involved sa paggawa nitong adaptation? Hands-on ka ba o nasa set ka ba para to check?
Opo, sobrang hands-off po ako and lagi po kami nagko-communicate nila direct kung meron po sila mga gustong i-clear sa akin. Lagi po nila rin tinadyarik sa akin if may confusing part po sa novel, lagi po nila kinakonsult sa akin. And I also, yung mga draft po nila sa akin, pinapacheck nila. Tapos kung pag meron po akong correction, tinatanggap naman po nila. And yes po, sobrang thankful ako na ang goal namin na maging faithful po sa source material.
Okay. Sorry, habol question. Ipahabol kong tanungan, no? For Aubrey and Lance, no? You mentioned earlier na this is from your previous roles in Avenues of the Diamond, no? So, and may months na rin yung, or a year na rin yung lumipas bago kayo nagsama ulit sa taping. Kamusta naman yung chemistry niyo together? Nag-evolve ba?
Well, in ano naman, off-cam, like, mas naging close naman talaga kami. But, you know, on set, like, wala pa naman kaming taping together. But, yeah, we're preparing for the role. Well, me naman, I'm not new to this kind of genre because before, I've done, like, horror thrillers. So, I'm really looking forward po dito sa character na to. And, yeah, it's a different, ano po sa amin as a love team. Dito, yung love interest ng mga characters namin, yung isa't isa, but it's really different. No, hindi siya katulad na nung sa past series namin na very romantic.
Yes.
Ganon. Yeah.
Basta napag-usapan na rin namin ni Aubrey na with this new project, sobrang importante yung growth para sa amin as a love team na we can portray different characters and we can give justice again to these characters. So we're just very excited pag may mga bagong project kami natatanggap po.
Thank you and congratulations ulit.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Moving on to Marisol Academy, we have Rodel Fernando.
Hi, kay Andre, ano ang palaging ina-advise sa'yo ng mami mo na ngayong medyo gumaganda na ang career mo?
Thank you po. Bali, ang lagi lang po sa akin advice ni mommy pati ni daddy is to always be humble and lagi pong tatandaan na huwag pong tatapak ng ibang tao. So, yun lang naman po yung lagi nilang pinapaalala sa akin. Tsaka, enjoy din po. Yun po. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Very, very wise words. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po from Philippines. Philippine star, Dolly Ann Carvajal.
For the writer, do you believe that there's hell and heaven, or you think hell is already here on earth? Sabi nila, di ba, impyerno na daw dito.
I think po, yung Hell University po kasi yung hell talaga doon is parang metaphor siya sa mga pinagdadaanan ng mga students doon. So, if I believe in hell or heaven, yes po, I do. And although you can go there, but you can also experience hell in real life while still living on earth. And that's yun po yung about sa Hell University.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So yes, naniniwala si Kit kay Heaven and Hell. Alright, ngayon naman po, from Rider PH Studios, we have Jojo Panaligan.
Yung tama-tama sa author pa din. Paano ka napunta sa genre na to? At saka, I'm thinking because of your name, you'll stick to this genre, tama ba?
Actually, I have different genre po. Meron ako mystery, may vampire. Pero nag-umpisa po ako sa Hell University kasi sa concept po na inspiration ko which is The Purge. Medyo backstory lang po kasi nung may vacant class kami, nag-play yung friend ko ng movie which is The Purge, which legal po lahat ng gagawin sa specific range of time, even killing. So after po namin panoorin yun, parang nagkaroon po kami ng mga joke-joke ng mga friends ko na what if magkaroon ng The Purge sa schools na kami magtatago. So doon po nag-umpisa na yung pinaka-concept ng Hell University.
Thanks. And my second question to the cast, title lang please, ano ang paborito niyong teen horror movie?
Ano ang paborito ninyong teen horror movie? Let's start with Jemima naman, coming this way naman. Just the title.
Teen horror movie. I think this is very like old. I'm not that old, but I would say if you guys are familiar with Vampire Diaries.
Of course.
So yeah, Vampire Diaries. I would say Vampire Diaries.
Hindi siya teen movie, pero yung PMAC. I know everyone knows this one, right?
My favorite is Scream, the Drew Barrymore one.
For me po, it's It.
Sorry, what's up?
It.
It. Yeah.
Yes po.
For me, yung I Know What You Did Last Summer. Yes.
Let's include direct na rin para fun.
Direct ko,
Direct Bobby and Kim.
Ayun din, I Know What You Did Last Summer and Battle Royale.
Okay.
I Know What You Did Last Summer Part 2.
Ano ba talagang part 2?
Actually, may po sa mga ghosts, so The Grudge po.
Same kami, The Purge.
Ako po yung Insidious po.
Insidious.
Ako po, Conjuring.
Oo, Shake, Rat, and Roll siya. Yung show ko yung the best way.
Sa akin, same with Conjuring.